Hey everyone, this is Larry from wstrades.com doing a technical analysis video on ticker symbol JD, which is JD.com, a online retailer from China. So full disclosure, I do have a position on. It's an option play that expires this Friday. It is the 79.80 puts, and I knew yesterday I should have closed it. I was up 44% on the trade, but I was looking to get out at 50%. Just knowing that earnings is tomorrow, and I thought in my head, okay, they're probably going to sell off, all these gains that they've made going into earnings, sell off, and then earnings is going to decide which way this thing goes. So, yeah, I should have just taken my 44%, knowing earnings is dangerous. There's not a lot of volume in today, and as you can see, it's 85% selling. So, a lot of people getting the heck out of this play. Going tomorrow, because you never know with earnings which way it's going to go. But yeah, if we didn't have earnings coming up, as you can see from the last earnings date, had a fat rally, and it's just been in a nice little uptrend. You got a higher high, higher low, and then kind of this week stalled out at this last close high of around 86, and then sold off from there. So if we didn't have earnings tomorrow, I'd say this is a good bullish play, but with earnings, you just never know. So hopefully they can have some good guidance. Let's go check out Earnings Whisper. So Earnings Whisper says they're going to have a slight beat on earnings per share, but everyone's anticipating a huge decline in revenue. So last time they had earnings, they just had a crazy spike in revenue, and that's why you saw this massive pump after earnings. And then, kind of sold off, but still made a higher high. But yeah, so tomorrow's going to be interesting. Just keep an eye on JD and see their numbers. It's pre-market, so should see some pretty interesting stuff. A big move up or down. And like I say, if this thing didn't have earnings, I'd say this is bullish all the way. You got the momentum coming back on this thing. MACD crossed over, the RSIL ticking up, and the fractal energy coming down into what would be a trend, and then kind of leveled off from this 3 days of selling. So yeah, everything besides the earnings would have me saying this is bullish, but with earnings, who knows? So definitely keep an eye on this. Hopefully I have some good news tomorrow and we see a nice rally off of this.